All right, so check it out. We have this hot tub here. I shouldn't be smiling because it's kind of a dumb issue, but this is brand new. It's about 2 months old. We just put it in, got it running and everything. It's a Bueno spa, and we just realized the last couple nights we've filled it up and the water level has gone down. No one has used it. The issue we were having before was people were using it and it was overflowing just over the edge because of the displacement of bodies. But now there's no one using it and it's still going down, the water level. So we were like, what the heck? Okay, we've seen over here that there's some moisture on the platform that it's on, and it was an active leak. As soon as we were filling it up, it was becoming more and more active. We're like, what the heck? Like, this is a brand new hot tub. This is not supposed to be happening. So we opened up the panel that was closest to where the leak was coming out. And what did we see? We saw, I kind of stuffed this guy back in here so that it's out of the way. But this guy was up in here, and it was just, water was coming out the seams. It was just a fountain underneath it here, which obviously is not the case. That's not what's supposed to be happening. And it's because it was not secured properly, or maybe it was over tightened, just plastic components. We've got another little plastic piece in here, this guy. This is the kind of the nut that tightens up and allows it to be fastened securely. So I'm curious if maybe this was like either over tightened and sucking this down through the acrylic so that it made this real brittle, because it's cracked all the way around this joint here. So anyways, we've turned off the valve, so water is not really coming through here anymore, as you can see. And we're going to get in touch with the manufacturer, since it's basically brand new hot tub, and see what they can do to help us out. And we will keep you guys posted. But if you're having a leak from your hot tub, maybe this is the issue. Maybe there's something that you can just pop a panel off and find out where the issue is, instead of having to have a professional tech come out and spend time diagnosing where it might be. Cut that portion out and then just direct them to where the issue is. Maybe even tell them before they get to you, if you have to hire a professional, hey, this is what I'm having the issue with, so they can bring the right component to the job site and get you back up and running in no time. So we'll see what happens, and we'll keep you in the loop.